Hello, let's quickly build a React app. The React app that we explained in the last class about products. This is the app structure. We have the product app, which is the basic app that will be inside the app component. Then we have the filters, the product form and the product table inside the products. Then inside the product table, we're going to be having the product table headers and rows. So this is this app structure, the structure that we're going to be using to build this. So to do that, the first app.js, this is the app.js. So this is supposed to be the content. It will have just the product, and that is this product. So when we go inside the product, we will have filters, product form and product table. Then when we go into product table, we have product headers and product rows. So let's do the first one. So we'll bring the products inside the app.js. So this is our app.js. I'm going to copy this. I'm gonna leave this code in the website where you can always use it. The way I'm using it is very simple to use it to create the app. So I'll go to my text editor. Take note, I've already done yarn start so that my server will be running. So this is running at localhost 3000, so that any changes I make, I'll be able to see them. So I'll go back. This is the folder that I had area created, FRT app. So inside this, we are going to be having the product. So this is the app.js that came with the create react app that I used in showing out example. So I'm going to simply say Ctrl O to select all of it, Ctrl V to paste the new code. So this is the new code I have. I imported React from React, then product from product.js, which I'm going to be creating very soon. So this is how you create a class-based component in React. Class app extends react.component, and this is the render method that's going to have a return statement, and it's going to be returning products for now. So I'm going to say Ctrl S to save this. So once I do that and I go to my this is the localhost 3000 where it should show. So immediately the changes are complete here. I'm going to be able to see it here. So I can refresh while I wait for that to happen, so that I'll see the new what I have here newly. But you know that product app component has not been created, so I'm going to try creating all of them now. So I'll be creating everything inside the src. So I just have the app.js. So let me create the product.js. I'll click here, and once here is highlighted, I can go to new file. So the first thing I'm going to have is the products.js, and I press the enter key. Notice the way I wrote the name in capital letter, product.js. So I'm going to quickly go here. This is product.js code. So I'll paste in the code and let it show, then later I will explain it for you. So I'm going to copy this. Is product.js. I'm going to paste it down here. So now I have product.js, basically imported React filters. Like I said, inside the product, you're supposed to have filter, product form and product table. You can see those three things. Those are the things here: filters, product form and product table. Then I brought in the products, since we are not persisting our data yet. Then normal way of creating a class-based component, and that is what we have. So I'm going to say Ctrl S to save this. So I've saved it. Hope I did not make any changes. This is my product. Okay, maybe I made I wouldn't know. Let me just do Ctrl A and Ctrl V to paste it afresh. Okay, then I'll do Ctrl S. Okay, once I did Ctrl S, the prettier helps me to arrange it very well. That's what actually happened. So I now have products. Okay, so it's trying to compile, but you cannot find filter and other things. So let me keep putting. So I've sorted out product.js. So let me go down again. Let me pick filter.js. So I have to create it first, then I have to put in this code. So note the name filters.js. So I'm gonna do the same. Click here, new file, filters.js. Then I press the enter key. So here I'm gonna Control V to paste the filters.js. So this is the filter.js. Then I'm gonna Control S to save. So that is taken care of. I'll go back again. So what else after the filter? What else is inside the product.js? I have the product table. So notice the name. So I'm gonna also pick up this, copy. The name is product table.js. So I'll click here, new file, product table.js. So take note of the name, product table.js. So I'll press the enter key. Then I'll paste the code, Control S to save. So this is product table.js. So that's done. Then I'm gonna pick the other code, product table header.js. Product table header.js. That's the next thing. I hope you're noting where we're getting all this from. This is after product. We have product table header and product table row. So I'm gonna click on src product table header.js, new, and I'll write product table header.js. So I have that, product table header.js. So I'm gonna paste the code and I'm do Control S to save. So everything is almost done. Then the next thing is product header, the CSS. It has a CSS, product table header.css. So I'm gonna select the code. We are putting everything in the src file. Take note, product table header.css. So I'll click here, click new file, then I'll write product table header.css. That's the cascading style sheet file. Take note of how it is written. Then I press the enter key. So this is a CSS file. I'm gonna paste and I'm gonna do Control S. So that's done. I'll go back again, pick up the product row.js, very important. So I'll copy this, product row.js. So I'll copy and I'll click on src, new file, product row.js, product row.js. Take note, see the way the files are named, very important. So I'm gonna Control V and Control S. So you can see it here. This is the product rows.js. It's important product row CSS. So I'm gonna create that too. So next line is product row.css. So I'll copy this, then get back to CRC product row.css. So I'm gonna type product row.css. Okay, then I'll press the enter key. Then I'm gonna paste it here and do Control S to save. Okay, so what else is left? Lastly, we have the product form, which is the last one, product form.js. So I'm gonna pick up the code, copy, then I'm gonna go to src2 product form.js, new file, product form.js. Okay, product form.js. That's the last thing. So I'm gonna do Control V to paste this, and I'm gonna do Control S to save. So with that, I have everything. So if I now go to my browser, I think, oh, perfect. You see, it's working now. So I have my React app here. I have the search. This is the search button. This is the search button. This is the filter. These are the product table headers. These are the rows, and this is the form. So everything is showing perfectly now. So in subsequent classes, I'm going to be explaining the codes one by one to you. But just take note the way I created everything. It makes it pretty simple. So this is the static app. We're going to be making this app to be dynamic by adding states and event handling. So and I'm going to be explaining. If you have any questions and concerns, drop them in the comment section. I'll also be explaining these various components that we are created, and it's showing this way now. Thank you, and God bless you.